Lexus NX has always been synonymous with a blend of sharp design and premium comfort, but for 2027, Lexus takes things to a whole new level. This latest generation looks bolder, smarter, more aggressive, and more futuristic than ever. From its striking front fascia to its cutting-edge interior and electrified performance options, the 2027 Lexus NX is clearly designed to challenge its German rivals and the growing number of electric SUVs. Let's break it all down. At the front, the 2027 Lexus NX immediately catches the eye. The traditional spindle grille evolves into a sleek, integrated panel, creating a cleaner, more aerodynamic look that exudes modern luxury. Sleek LED headlights stretch sharply across the front fascia, connected by Lexus's signature illuminated bar. This gives the SUV a wide, commanding stance, enhancing visual drama and road presence. Below, aggressive lower intakes and a sculpted angular bumper add a sporty, almost performance SUV-like character. Sharp air intakes direct airflow around the body, improving efficiency and high-speed stability. Turning to the side, the 2027 Lexus NX features a sleek, coupe-inspired silhouette with a strong shoulder line and prominent wheel arches. The roofline flows gracefully towards the rear, creating a sporty fastback profile while maintaining cabin space. Large alloy wheels, likely 20 to 22 inches in size, fill the arches beautifully, giving the NX a confident stance. Flush door handles, black pillars, and subtle chrome accents add a sense of luxury while reducing air resistance. Sharp character lines sculpt the doors, creating dynamic reflections that bring the design to life from every angle. At the rear, the NX looks wide, robust, and strikingly modern. Full-width LED taillights immediately catch the eye, shining sharply along the tailgate and framing the illuminated Lexus logo. This lighting signature enhances nighttime visibility and enhances premium appeal. The sculpted rear bumper integrates a sporty diffuser design, flanked by aggressive vertical air vents. Dual trapezoidal exhaust tips hint at powerful performance, even on hybrid and plug-in hybrid models. The tailgate itself is clean and minimalistic, reinforcing Lexus's push for modern simplicity combined with high-end craftsmanship. Under the hood, the 2027 Lexus NX embraces electrification while maintaining compelling performance. Several powertrain options include a turbocharged gasoline engine for traditional performance enthusiasts, an advanced hybrid system delivering exceptional fuel efficiency, a plug-in hybrid variant offering significant all-electric driving range, a potential all-electric variant that pushes Lexus deeper into the EV segment. Performance output is expected to range from approximately 240 horsepower to over 350 horsepower in high-performance trims, delivering strong acceleration and a comfortable highway ride. Smooth power delivery, refined suspension tuning, and adaptive dampers ensure the NX remains comfortable during daily commuting while remaining composed during spirited driving. Step inside, and the 2027 Lexus NX completely transforms the driving experience. The cabin is dominated by a large, curved digital display that seamlessly integrates the digital instrument panel with the central infotainment screen. This expansive, panoramic interface delivers crisp graphics, intuitive controls, and incredibly fast response. Premium materials cover nearly every surface, including soft leather, brushed aluminum, open-pore wood, and flowing ambient LED lighting throughout the cabin. The center console is clean and minimalistic, featuring an electronic gear lever, drive mode selector, wireless charging pad, and sleek touch controls. The seats are deeply bolstered, offering exceptional comfort and lateral support, perfect for both long trips and spirited driving. Advanced climate control, ventilated seats, a panoramic glass roof, and a premium surround sound option complete the luxurious experience. The 2027 Lexus NX represents a major leap forward in compact luxury SUVs. With bold new styling, a cutting-edge digital interior, an electrified powertrain, and advanced technology, it positions itself as a true competitor to premium European rivals and the growing EV market. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that combines unmatched performance, innovation, comfort, and design, the 2027 Lexus NX may be one of the most compelling options on the market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.